If you know you're not afraid of heights and you enjoy adventurous game like shooting game, airplane game, okay, I'm going to introduce an app for you. This app is called Career Aircraft. It's a military game. It's like a military game. You will be like a military captain piloting a jet fighter. You'll be the one piloting shooting ships. So you're actually the pilot of the aircraft and you'll be the one shooting all the ships. So let me introduce this game to you guys. And this is an awesome game and it's a complete free game in SideQuest. I showed you guys how you can install and create an account in SideQuest so that you can be getting free games from SideQuest. So this is actually a free game in SideQuest. So let's dive right into this game. Let me show you guys how to play it. We're just going to play it for just a few minutes.
Enemy warships are fleeing. Find and clear all of them. Press the grip button to hold the rotation stick.
So this is your
or the
joystick.
throttle by hand.
You use this to control the movement of the plane. You can see if I turn it like this, it's going this way. If I turn it like this, it's taking the left turn. And this is like a jet. So you can turn this 360. So the same way you turn it by the left, it's also the same way you turn the right. So if I push it front, it will start going front, but I have not engaged the drive. So if you want to go up, you push it up, it will start going up. Like this, it will start going front. So from here, you can pick up a bomb and throw the bomb to any ship. So let's move. This is the base, so you have to first of all go up. Don't come from down. Go up very well, because so many people will be shooting you from there. Once you shoot, you pass. You're now running. Now this is the base. One down. Then here. Go up. Then go up. Fly out. Keep going. You have to be going front so that you will come from the back. You can still use your other button and check your back. See the bullet they are shooting you. You can hold this and shoot. You're still flying front, so tap the button again. Now let's go back to the base and find them. Wow, that's the base. So you have to be very careful, know how you fly. up. They are still shooting you. Up you go. Wow. They are still shooting you. Go up. This is crazy. So let's go back again to the wall front and destroy the remaining ship. Yeah. Coming from up now. Ah, they've shot me. They've shot me. So my destiny is falling down inside the water. Wow. I'm now sinking. So guys, you guys can see how awesome this game can be. It's wow. You guys can see how awesome this game can be. It's quite an interesting game and it's a very lovely game. But the graphics is not that good. It's not that um, awesome, but it's very okay for a free game in SideQuest. So you can download this game for free in SideQuest. I have a video on how you can download free games and paid games on SideQuest. So you can watch that video. I can still put it at the end of this video. Now, if you're watching my video for the first time, my name is Asukin Nakesli, and on this channel, I give you tips and solutions on how to make money online and other relevant tips that helps in our daily online space. But during the weekend, I make sure I give you new updates on games and apps in the virtual reality space.
Think strong, be strong. You got this.
So if you wouldn't want to miss any of my content, make sure you're subscribed to this channel and make sure the notification button is turned on so that you'll be the first to know once I upload a new video. I will see you guys in my next video. You guys should stay creative and remain blessed.